Welcome to Planet Air. Today we talk about HVAC Basic. HVAC is heat and ventilation air conditioning system. Air conditioning. Air conditioning is a combined process that performs many functions simultaneously. It conditions the air, transports it, and introduces it to the conditioned space. It provides heating and cooling from its central plant or rooftop units. It also controls and maintains the temperature, humidity, air movement, air cleanliness, sound level. Air conditioning working in the diagram above, the compressor 1 compresses the refrigerant vapor and moves it towards the condenser. The heat of compression raises the temperature of the refrigerant vapor, causing it to be a high-pressure superheated vapor. As this refrigerant moves into the condenser too, the condenser rejects the heat in the refrigerant, causing it to change state and condense into a high-pressure, high-temp liquid. As the refrigerant passes through the metering device 3, its temperature, pressure and state change once again. Some of the low-pressure liquid refrigerant instantly boils off, forming flash gas. As this mixture of liquid and gas pass through the evaporator 4, heat is absorbed and the remaining liquid refrigerant changes its state back into a vapor. At the outlet of the evaporator, 100% of the low-pressure vapor flows back through the suction line to the compressor. Ventilation. Ventilation is the process by which clean air, normally outdoor air, is intentionally provided to a space and stale air is removed. This may be accomplished by either natural or mechanical. What is natural ventilation? In the simplest of cases, simply opening up a window on a cool summer evening so that the fresh outside breeze can refresh your home is an example of natural ventilation. Even in the most airtight homes, every time you open a door or window, a bit of natural ventilation enters the house. Traditionally, almost every building was naturally ventilated through strategically placed windows and building practices that left gaps and cracks throughout the building envelope. Mechanical ventilation. Mechanical ventilation is also called forced ventilation. A building ventilation system that uses powered fans or blowers to provide fresh air to rooms when the natural forces of air pressure and gravity are not enough to circulate air through a building. Mechanical ventilation is used to control indoor air quality. Excess humidity, odors, and contaminants can often be controlled via dilution or replacement with outside air. However, in humid climates, specialized ventilation systems can remove excess moisture from the air. Ceiling fans are commonly seen as ventilation systems as they are usually the most visible mechanical system in a building. However, ceiling fans do not provide real ventilation, as there is no introduction of fresh air. Ceiling fans only circulate air within a room for the purpose of reducing the perceived temperature by method of evaporation of perspiration on the skin of the occupants. Also, hot air rises, therefore, ceiling fans may be used to keep a room warmer in the winter by circulating the warmth from the ceiling to the floor. Further, mechanical ventilation divided into two parts: pressure system and vacuum system. Pressure system: a system which air is blown through the building by a fan or other blower placed at the inlet. The air pressure in the building is slightly greater than that of the outer atmosphere. Vacuum system causing an inrush of fresh air. This is done by an exhaust fan placed at the outlet to the vent flue or stack. The air pressure in the building is slightly lower than that of the outer atmosphere. However, a combination of these two methods can be used to create a balanced system. Benefits of balanced system. Improved indoor air quality. Balanced ventilation systems supply fresh air to the living and sleeping areas of homes while exhausting stale air at an equal rate from the bathrooms. This proactive approach to ventilation can result in improved indoor air quality. Improved comfort. Buildings with tight construction and balanced ventilation systems can have fewer drafts and a constant supply of outdoor air, resulting in improved comfort. Improved health. Stale air can cause health problems. It can be responsible for symptoms such as headaches, drowsiness, and respiratory problems. These symptoms are more common in homes with poor ventilation and moisture control. Continuously providing fresh air can result in the improved health and well-being of the occupants.